Any rider coming to do this, whether you're a beginner rider or you're a seasoned rider, there's going to be something for you here. You're going to be able to get everything you want out of this route.
I think this one's special. I mean, Arkansas has got some gold here that we didn't know was around.
Here in this forest canopy, this is about really as fun as it gets. Just some gentle up and downhill, really beautiful.
This is so fun. It's like being on a roller coaster.
Look at this view that you get out here. This is countryside of Arkansas at its finest.
When you come to ride the Ozarks BDR-X, if you don't like getting wet, this may not be the route for you, because there's a lot of water. This is the first of 10 optional harder sections.
If you want to ride challenging, you want to come out and try to put some big bikes in places where they shouldn't be, then this has got it for you. Ooh, big rut, big rut. Woohoo!
You absolutely have to get down here to Arkansas and ride this. From mild to wild, this is something that really you got to experience.
This is some of the best adventure riding I've ever done. Far exceeded my expectations. I mean, it was beautiful and it had everything.
There's so much good riding here, and this route is so rich and diverse. Every element of a BDR and then some.